This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into iCloud with your Apple ID, enable two-factor authentication, and confirm you meet residency and age rules. Once done, open Wallet and add a debit or prepaid card as a funding source. This is required to fund Apple Cash. Make sure your device has cellular or Wi-Fi and the latest iOS. Then tap the plus icon, follow card imaging or manual entry, and verify the bank card with the issuing bank. This activates the funding pathway. Next, enable Apple Cash inside Wallet. Select the Apple Cash card and tap Setup Now. The app will guide you through acceptance of terms. You must complete identity verification. Enter your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Sometimes a photo ID is required to confirm identity for regulatory compliance. Once verified, choose whether to link a bank account for transfers or use the debit card funding option. This step prevents limits and unlocks bank transfers. Finish by adding money to your Apple Cash card. Tap the card in Wallet, choose Add Money, enter an amount, and confirm with Face ID or passcode. Funds transfer instantly from the linked debit card. Use Messages or Wallet to send and receive cash and monitor activity and transactions. If something goes wrong, failed ad, limits, or verification issues, reopen Wallet, check identity status, remove and re-add the funding card, and if needed, contact Apple support for account holds or identity rechecks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.